Hey everyone! Today I decided it's time for a little makeover for my car. I love all the cute pink accessories, but it's December, so time to get into the holiday spirit. Let's turn my car into a cozy Christmas wonderland. Come along with me! Saying bye-bye to the pink and making room for some holiday magic. First, let's get cozy. These Christmas-themed blankets and pillows add warmth and a festive vibe. Seat deserves holiday cheer. Here are Santa hats for the headdress, cute and festive. And of course, what's a holiday car without a little tree? With some tinsel and tiny gifts, it's adorable. Jingle bells on the door handles for a little festive sound with every opening. This little wreath is a final touch for a true holiday look. It's just perfect. Snowflakes on the windows. Even if it's not snowing outside, we are getting some winter magic in here. Now we have Santa and his reindeer. What can you do without a festive garland? And my special Christmas morning coffee cup. When everything ready, the holiday spirit comes alive in every detail. This car now feels like a cozy little holiday home on wheels. Now I'm holiday ready, even on the road. Hope you enjoyed this mini transformation. Wishing you a cozy holiday season and lots of warm moments. Merry Christmas! See you in the next time!